Today we have BMW first series 1.6 2007, and young man wants to fit to this vehicle exhaust from Toyota Supra. So it is 4-inch or 100 millimeters, so 10 centimeters. So let's go. Don, could you please start it? Rev it. Rev it. Okay, thank you. First flange is already here. Let's fit the brackets and fit it in place. Okay, could you please start it? Little bit throttle. Okay, Don, start it. So rear box, middle box, and this whole situation looks like this. Whole straight pipe and rear box from Supra.